Hi children, how are you all? Children, today again happy to meet you in another science class. Children, in last class we learned seasonal flowers, exotic plants. Today we are going to discuss about part 3, plants as food. Today we are going to discuss about part 3, plants as food. Children, plants are very important for all of us. Plants are the main source of food. Humans and other animals often use plants as food. Plants we eat are edible. Edible parts of some plants include leaves, stem, root, flower and grains. Let us see one by one. Children, we get grains, root, stem, leaves, flower and fruits from plants. Children, where is extra food stored? Yes. Different plants store the extra food in different parts of them. Children, some plants store the extra food in the leaves. Some plants store the extra food in the fruits. Some plants store the extra food in the stems. Some plants store the extra food in the roots, etc. Okay children, let us see one by one. Children, first one, roots as food. Roots as food. Example, carrot, beetroot, tapioca, etc. Carrot, beetroot, tapioca. See this carrot children, this is root. These root are used as food. Children, observe all these roots carefully. Observe all these roots carefully. Children, they have solen. Solen means thick. திக்னா நல்லா தடிமனா இருக்கு பாருங்க. இந்த ரூட் எல்லாம் நல்லா தடிமனா இருக்குது. அதுக்கு பேர் தான் வந்து சோலன். SWOLLEN solen. They have solen. Why are these plants are solen? Once again, why are these plants are solen? ஏன் இது எல்லாம் நல்லா தடிமனா பெருசா இருக்குது இந்த ரூட் எல்லாம்? Let us try to understand this. Yes. Roots as food. Roots as food. Many plants store excess food in their roots. Many plants store excess food in their roots. So they have thick and swollen. These roots are used as food. Example: carrot, radish, tapioca, beetroot. These roots are used as food. Children, second one, stems as food. Stems as food. Onion, turmeric, sugarcane, ginger, etc. Once again, stems as food. See this stems: onion, children, stems as food. See this onion, potato and ginger. These are underground stem. These stems are used as food. Next one, stems as food. Children, can we eat stems of certain plants? Yes. The potato plant stores the extra food in the underground stem. Hence the stem become swollen. Potato plant extra food எதில் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்குது? ஸ்டெம்மில் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்குது. So the stem become swollen. Next one, in same way, ginger is also an underground stem which we use in our food. Children, from which part of the plant we get sugar? Which part of the plant we get sugar? Yes, we get sugar from the juicy stems of sugarcane plants. So children, in some plants the stem stores the excess food in it. Potato, onion, ginger are underground stems that we eat. Next one, leaves as food. Leaves as food. Coriander, see this coriander leaves, moringa and cabbage. These leaves are used as food. Okay children? Next one, leaves as food. Leaves of some plants are used as food. In some plants, extra food is stored in leaves. We eat the leaves of plants like cabbage. Some of the leaves used as food are coriander, cabbage, moringa. Next one, flowers as food. Flowers as food. Example, banana flower, cauliflower and clove. These flowers are used as food. Next one, flowers as food. Flowers as food. Flowers are the most attractive part of the plant. Flowers are the most attractive part of the plant. Many flowers are used as food. Example, banana flower, cauliflower, climb. Fruits as food. Fruits as food. Banana, grapes and pineapple, jackfruit. These fruits are used as food. Next one, fruits as food. Many fruits are used as food. Fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. They keep us healthy. All fruits can be eaten raw. Next one, grains as food. Cereals. Any type of grains. Example, the seeds of wheat, rice, etc. Parts. The long green part of some plants such as peas, beans that contains the seeds. So children, grains of pulses, cereals and pods are the commonly eaten seeds. They are rich source of carbohydrates and proteins. So children, all the parts of different plants are edible. That is, we can eat them as food. Children, plants are very, very important for us. Children, do you understand this topic? Yes, we should take care of plants. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day. Children, try to answer. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash flour is used as food. Dash flour is used as food. Banana flour is used as food. Already we learnt. Okay children. Second one, dash part of the potato plant is used as food. Dash part of the potato plant is used as food. Stem part of the potato plant is used as food. Third one, stem of the dash stores food in it. Stem of the dash stores food in it. Stem of the sugar cane stores food in it. Number 4, seeds are rich in dash and dash. Seeds are rich in dash and dash. Seeds are rich in proteins and carbohydrates. Seeds are rich in proteins and carbohydrates. Once again, banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana flour is used as food. S-T-E-M, stem. Stem part of the potato plant is used as food. Sugarcane, S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E, sugarcane. Stem of the sugarcane stores food in it. Seeds are rich in proteins. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S, proteins. And carbohydrates. C-A-R-B-O-H-Y DRATES, carbohydrates. Okay children, more to know. Trees are the longest living organism on earth. Trees are the longest living organism on earth. Bamboo plants can grow up to 90 centimeter in one day. Children, bamboo plant அப்படின்னா மூங்கில் மரம். Bamboo plants can grow up to 90 centimeter in one day. Okay children. Children, see this tabular column. Complete the table to show which parts of the plant we eat. Okay children, complete the table to show which parts of the plant we eat. First, food items. Second one, parts of the plant eaten. First one, carrot. Food items, carrot. Parts of the plant eaten, root or OOT, root. Second one, banana flower. Parts of the plant eaten, flower. FLOWER, flower. Third one, mango. Parts of the plant eaten, fruit. FRUIT, fruit. Cauliflower. Parts of the plant eaten, flower. FLOWER, flower. Next one, rice. Parts of the plant eaten, seed. SEED, seed. Next one, dal. Parts of the plant eaten, seed. Moringa. MORINGO, moringa. Moringa means drumstick leaves. Parts of the plant eaten, leaf. LEAF, leaf. Turmeric. Parts of the plant eaten, stem. STEM, stem. Onion. Parts of the plant eaten, stem. STEM, stem. Cabbage. Parts of the plant eaten, leaf. Jackfruit. Parts of the plant eaten, fruit. Last one, beetroot. Parts of the plant eaten, root. Okay children, once again, carrot, root. Banana flower, flower. Mango, fruit. Cauliflower, flower. Rice, seed. Dal, seed. Moringa, leaf. Turmeric, stem. Onion, stem. Cabbage, leaf. Jackfruit, fruit. Beetroot, root. Okay children. Children, answer in detail. Roman 5, answer in detail. First question, mark any 4 parts and describe the parts of a leaf. Mark any 4 parts and describe the parts of a leaf. First one, blade. BLADE, blade. The broad, flat part of the leaf. The broad, flat part of the leaf. This is the blade. Second one, apex. A-P-E-X, apex. The tip of the leaf. The tip of the leaf. This is apex, tip of the leaf. Next one, midrib. The midrib runs along the center of the leaf. The midrib runs along the center of the leaf. This is midrib. The midrib runs along the center of the leaf. M-I-D-R-I-B, midrib. Next one, veins. V-E-I-N-S, veins. Veins are branch out from the midrib. Veins are branch out from the midrib. See this leaf, children. Veins. Veins are branch. See this branch out from the midrib. மிட்ரிப்ல இருந்து சின்ன சின்ன பிரான்ச்சு செப்பரேட் ஆகி வருது இல்லைங்களா, இதுதான் நம்ம வெயின்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். They are framework of hollow tubes that carry water and minerals. Carry water and minerals. Veins carry water and minerals. Once again, veins are branch out from the midrib. They are the framework of hollow tubes that carry water and minerals. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S, minerals. H-O-L-L-O-W, hollow tubes. T-U-B-E-S, hollow tubes. Last one, petiole. This is petiole. P-E-T-I-O-L-E, petiole. This part join the leaf to the main stem. This part join the leaf to the main stem. Once again, petiole. This part join the leaf to the main stem. Okay, children, do you understand? Yes. Children, second detail. Draw a diagram of a flower and explain the parts of a flower. Once again, draw a diagram of a flower and explain the parts of a flower. Children, already we learnt. Okay? The 4 visible parts of a flower are explained below. The 4 visible parts of a flower are explained below. First one, sepal. Sepals are leaves that protect the flower while it is still a bud. Sepals are usually green in color. Once again, sepals are leaves that protect the flower while it is still a bud. Sepals are usually green in color. Second one, petal. This is petal. Petals are often bright colored. Their main job is to attract insects such as bees or butterflies to the flower. The insects help the flower in the transfer of pollen grains. Children, this one is pollen grain. The red color la irukku illingala, idhan pollen grains. The insects help the flower in the transfer of pollen grains. Next one, stamen. S-T-A-M-E-N, stamen. This one is stamen. The green color stem, the green color stem தான் நம்ம stamen அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். STAMEN, stamen. இது pollen. இந்த ரெட் கலரில் இருக்கிறது வந்து pollen grains. Okay children. Stamen can be seen at the center of a flower. Stamen can be seen at the center of a flower. பாருங்க இந்த stamen வந்து flowerக்கு சென்டரில் இருக்கு பாருங்க. Okay. They contains pollen grains. They contains pollen grains. பாருங்க இந்த ரெட் கலரில் ஓவல் ஷேப்பில் இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் pollen grains. That help the plants to multiply. It is the male part of a flower. It is the male part of a flower. Male means boy. Children, last one, pistil. Pistil is also seen at the center of the flower. See this flower children. This is pistil. Green color இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, இதுதான் வந்து pistil. Pistil is also seen at the center of the flower. The pistil uses the pollen to help the flower become the fruit. The pistil uses the pollen to help the flower becomes the fruit. It is the female part of a flower. It is the female part of the flower. Female means girl. Male means boy. Okay children. So stamen is male part of the flower. Pistil is female part of the flower. Okay. This is male part of the flower. This is female part of the flower. Okay. Once again. First one, sepal. Sepals are leaves that protect the flower while it is still a bud. Sepals are usually green in color. Next one, petal. Petals are often bright colored. Their main job is to attract insects such as bees or butterflies to the flower. The insects help the flowers in the transfer of pollen grains. Next one, stamen. Stamen can be seen at the center of a flower. They contain pollen grains that help the plants to multiply. It is the male part of a flower. Last one, pistil. Pistil is also seen at the center of the flower. The pistil uses the pollen to help the flower become the fruit. It is the female part of a flower. Okay children, do you understand? Yes.